Yeah, hi John, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, just let you know that I've done your laser part for you. Yeah, the part itself that you sent me is absolutely mint condition. Yeah, very little wear. It's like brand new almost. You know, so basically what I've done is I've changed the laser for you. I've given it a check over. It did, you know, in all honesty, it didn't even need cleaning. I always wipe it through though with a little brush, but you know, it's all clean. It's all working as it should be. So you know, in all honesty, you know, you should get another, you know, sort of 8, 10 years out of it as it is. So yeah, it's all good and working. Now let me just turn that up for you so you can hear it running there. So I did obviously run it up before, and yeah, it was dead as a dodo. I weren't getting anything out of it, so I changed the laser on that, and you know, obviously that cured the problem as what we thought it was going to be anyway. So yeah, that's all sorted for you now, John. So yeah, as soon as I get some payment for that, I know we've got a deal going there, so as soon as I get a payment for that, I'll ship it out to you, to your Manchester address. Thank you very much, buddy, and speak to you soon. Cheers, John.